friends, this is from the team Happy Learnaholic. Today we are going to solve the daily challenge. Let's go to the topic. The topic is palindrome reverse and or next. The program must accept a string S containing only alphabets as the input. The program must print S if it is possible to modify the string S as a palindrome based on the following conditions. Any alphabet CH in the string S can be replaced with its previous or next alphabet in the English alphabet set. But we have to see that if CH is A, it must be replaced with B as there is no previous alphabet, and if it is Z, we must replace with Y as there is no next alphabet. Similarly for small case A and small case Z. Then, if it is not possible to form a palindrome by modifying the string S, the program must print no as the output. Note the palindromic string is always case sensitive. Now, let's see the test case. Here the input is given as AFDC. Here the string is AFDC. The first alphabet A can be replaced with B, and the second alphabet F can be replaced with either E or G. And to get palindromic string, it must be replaced with E because next the alphabet D. For this D, the possible replacement can be C or E. But in previous F we have replaced with E, so here also we must replace with E. Then only we can get the palindromic string. The fourth alphabet C can be replaced with B or D, but in the first element we have replaced A with B, so here we need to replace with B. Then only we can get the palindromic string B, E, E, B, which is a palindrome. So so we print S. Here if you see the difference between A and C, the ASCII value difference between A and C will be 2, and between F and D it will be 2. Most probably if it is less than or equal to 2, then we can replace with any of the alphabets which will be equal and palindromic. Now let's see for the test case 2. Here it is B and here it is B. We don't need to replace. Here it is D and here it is C. If we decrement the value of D, that is before element of D is C and the after element is E. So if we replace with C, then it becomes equal. Next here I, here H. In H the after element is I, so if we replace I, then it will be equal. Here in this case A, the after element is B, here the before element will be Y. Here both we cannot make equal, so in this case it will become no. If you see this, the ASCII difference between A and Z will be more than 2. So that it is not possible to replace any letters which becomes a palindromic string. That's why we are printing no. Here next in this case A, B. Here the next element will be B. So B, next element. In this case, the next for the first letter we can replace with B, and the last letter as it is, so it becomes equal. Just leave it. Next is Z. The previous element of Z is Y, so Y. Here also we are not modifying the last element. Next next A and B. The next element of A is B. Here it is not replaced, so we are just leaving it like that. Next is G. sorry, next is z. For z we are for z the previous element will be y, and here also y. For the next element g, we can replace with either h, I, possibly E, F. Here, here G can be replaced with F, and E can be replaced with F. So both becomes F and it becomes palindromic. F. Next it is U and W. For U and W, U can be replaced with V, and W can be replaced with V. So it becomes V. Sorry for the space thing. So the string becomes B, Y, B, Y, F, V, F. Here this is a palindromic string, so we print S. Here if we see, the common thing is the difference between the E and G will be 2 or less than 2. Like that only, for every element it will be less than or 2 or less than 2, then only we can perform the perform and replace string, so that we can get a palindromic string. Now let's go to the program. First we are getting the string a is equal to input stripe of, and I comma j is equal to my first index, let it be 0, and the second index, that is j, I am taking as the last index, len of a minus 1. My while loop iterates till I less than j. If we are checking that if my ASCII value of a of I minus ASCII value of a of j less than or equal to 2 means I don't need to perform any operations. That's why I'm just passing it. Then else if it is greater than 2, then I have to print no and quit from the program. These are my incrementer and decrementer for the loop. And after, if I have not gone through this else block, then automatically s will be printed. Now for one test case, let's see the program flow. A, F, D, C. This is my ith index. This is my jth index. Now the absolute difference between the ASCII values of A and C is less than or equal to 2. So my statement passes, and next I value is incremented and my j value is decremented. Now similarly here also the absolute difference between the ASCII values of a of I and a of j is less than or equal to 2. So we are just passing, and then I value is incremented and j value is decremented. So now the while condition fails and we come out and we will print the s. Thanks for watching.